Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here with EPICURE. So we have something super new and super exciting. And I say that this is exciting because since we're all basically on a lockdown with the coronavirus happening, at least the past couple of weeks or so, it's kind of nice to be able to give somebody a surprise of some sort. So the good thing is that even though we are on lockdown, we still have to eat, and we are probably still thinking, well, we would like to go shopping somehow. Like, what can I purchase? What can get delivered to my house? That's exciting, and this is definitely exciting. So what this is you pick a number, and every single number has 50 to $60 worth of product for only $25, you guys. So that's pretty neat. And it includes, it says 3 to 6 unique EPICURE products, anything from meal packs and cookware to herbs, spices, and surprises. So people keep on asking me, well, what kind of stuff do you get? I don't even know, but this kind of gives us a good hint of either meal packs plus herbs, spices, cookware, and some exciting surprises. So number 3 seems to be the most popular choice so far, but we also have number 1, 2, and 4. So with tax, at least in Canada, it's about $38. And you get $50 to $60 worth of stuff. So that's pretty neat. If you are a consultant, I will show you guys how to enter this in and to send it to your customers. So all you have to do is log into myepicure.com, your overall ordering website, and I like to attach every order to a cooking class. So I do have a cooking class open right now. I actually have 2, but all I do is I'm going to attach it to this cooking class here. I click on add order. I'm just going to send it to one person, and I'm just going to enter in this one here. This is the account that I use quite often to ship to me, and then just enter in the word lucky, and then you will see all of the different collections. So notice how there's only 3 left. So one of them has already sold out. I see the numbers 5, 6, and 7, so they must have changed the numbers for inventory purposes. But keep in mind, you guys, that if people pick more than one number, you want to give them a different product. So if, let's say, they picked number 5 and number 7, you want to pick number 5 and number 7. But I guess in this case, since it's still showing the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, then I would just go back to here and then just pick 2 different ones. Do not pick 2 of the same one, because then they will get the same products. So let's just say they picked a number 3 or a number 1 and a number 2. Then I would go for number 5, add that, and then add number 6, and just click on shipping. And then it will do everything for you. Of course, type in their address right here, and then at the final page, they will ask, or they will let you know how much tax is and how much it is for shipping. So there you go, you guys. To add payment, of course, it's just up here, add payment. You can select a method. We make it super duper easy. So I hope this helps. Have fun. I was actually going to order, what was it, number 4 for myself. Since number 4 isn't left, it's just like 5, 6, and 7 at the moment. I'm just going to pick, I think, number 5. So let's see what we get. It's kind of neat, kind of exciting, because it's just nice to have a surprise. Who doesn't like surprises? So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day, and I'll see you guys very, very soon.